Do you ever feel shy when you speak English about love or feelings? Maybe your heart feels warm, but your words stop. Maybe you want to say, I care about you, but you don't know how. Take a slow breath with me. Inhale, exhale. Today, we will practice speaking English with love. Slowly, calmly, gently. Valentine's Day is not only about couples. It is about kindness, warm words, and simple sentences from the heart. Imagine this. You want to send a message to someone special. It can be your friend, family, or partner. You open your phone. You look at the screen. You think, what should I say? Let's start simple. Repeat after me. I care about you. I care about you. Good. Notice how calm your voice feels. Now another one. You make my day brighter. You make my day brighter. See? Short, simple, and powerful. Let's try a tiny story. A woman waits in a cafe. Last year, she was too shy to speak English about her feelings. Think about last year. Say this. She was shy. She did not speak clearly. She was shy. She did not speak clearly. But this year is different. She practiced one sentence every day. Now she can say, I am happy to see you. I am happy to see you. Simple, clear, warm. Now a small challenge for you. Today, say one kind sentence in English. Only one. One sentence a day is enough. Now we will practice short dialogues you can use in real life. Calmly, slowly, no pressure. Imagine you are talking to someone you like. They ask, what are you doing today? You answer, I am thinking about you. I am thinking about you. Good. Very gentle. Another one. Person A says, why are you smiling? Person B says, because I am with you. Because I am with you. Notice the present continuous tense. I am thinking. I am smiling. I am enjoying this moment. Now try this sentence yourself. I am enjoying this day with you. I am enjoying this day with you. Perfect. Now let's use the past tense. Think about last Valentine's Day. You were maybe busy, tired, or shy. Say this. Last year I was busy. I worked late. I felt tired. Repeat slowly. Last year I was busy. I worked late. I felt tired. Good. This year is different. You can say, this year I planned something special. I bought a small gift. I wrote a kind message. Repeat. This year I planned something special. I bought a small gift. I wrote a kind message. Now, let's look at the future tense. Future plans are common on Valentine's Day. Tomorrow I will cook dinner. Tomorrow I will cook dinner. We will watch a movie together. We will watch a movie together. Mini challenge. Try one sentence in the future tense about Valentine's Day. It can be small. One sentence is enough. Slowly, gently, you are practicing love and English together. Now we will imagine a full Valentine's Day. From morning to night, you will speak more, but slowly and calmly. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning. The room is quiet. The light is soft. You feel peaceful. Say this with me. I woke up early today. I woke up early today. Add a feeling. I felt happy and calm. I felt happy and calm. Now imagine you check your phone. There is a sweet message. Good morning. I hope you have a beautiful day. You answer, good morning. I am thinking about you. Good morning. I am thinking about you. Notice the present continuous. I am thinking. I am feeling. Now the afternoon. You are preparing something small. Maybe cooking. Maybe choosing clothes. Maybe writing a card. Say this. I am getting ready for tonight. I am getting ready for tonight. Describe what you are wearing. I am wearing a blue shirt. I am wearing a blue shirt. Now imagine the evening. You meet someone special. You feel a little nervous. Say this. I am a little nervous, but I am happy. I am a little nervous, but I am happy. You sit together, talk, and laugh. Say, I enjoy spending time with you. I enjoy spending time with you. Now add one reason. I enjoy spending time with you because you make me feel safe. I enjoy spending time with you because you make me feel safe. Finally, let's talk about the future. Next year, we will travel together. Next year, we will travel together. Or, in the future, I want to grow with you. In the future, I want to grow with you. Mini challenge. Think about your perfect Valentine's Day. Say one past, one present, and one future sentence. For example, this morning, I woke up with a smile. Now, I'm enjoying this calm moment. Tonight, I will share a special dinner. Try it slowly. Speak with love. Now we will practice speaking to yourself with love. This is very important. Many people can say kind words to others, but forget to be kind to themselves. Think about this. Have you ever said, "My English is bad," or "I cannot speak well"? Now change that. Say after me, "My English is improving every day." My English is improving every day. Another one. I am learning step by step. Pause. I am learning step by step. Imagine a small story. A man wants to say, "I love you" in English. Yesterday, he felt shy. Today, he tries again. Say slowly, "I love you." I love you. Now add one more sentence. I love the way you support me. I love the way you support me. Let's practice appreciation. Say this. I appreciate everything you do for me. I appreciate everything you do for me. Now a small daily life situation. You forgot to send a message. You feel a little guilty. Say this. I am sorry I forgot to message you. I am sorry I forgot to message you. Then add, I will do better next time. I will do better next time. Mini challenge. Tonight, before sleep, say 3 sentences in English. One about today, one about feelings, one about tomorrow. For example, today I worked hard. I felt happy. Tomorrow, I will practice more English. Notice how calm your voice feels. 1 sentence a day is enough. Small habits create progress. Now we will finish with a final calm practice. Take a slow breath. Inhale. Exhale. Tonight, imagine it is the end of Valentine's Day. You are at home. The day was simple, but meaningful. Say this. Today was a beautiful day. Today was a beautiful day. Add a feeling. I felt loved and peaceful. I felt loved and peaceful. Now imagine sending one last message. Thank you for today. Thank you for today. Add, I am happy we spent time together. I am happy we spent time together. Now a future sentence. I hope we create more memories together. I hope we create more memories together. Next, a self-love practice. Place your hand on your heart. Say softly, I am growing. I am learning. I am becoming more confident. Repeat slowly. I am growing. I am learning. I am becoming more confident. Shadowing practice. Repeat after me. Love is simple. Kind words matter. I can express my feelings in English. I am proud of my progress. Repeat all slowly. Love is simple. Kind words matter. I can express my feelings in English. I am proud of my progress. Mini challenge. Think of one person you care about. Say 1 sentence in English for them. It can be small. 1 sentence is enough. Smile gently. Feel proud. You practice. You spoke. You felt. If this calm practice helped you, like this video. Write 1 kind sentence in the comments. Subscribe for daily calm English practice. Remember, 1 sentence a day is enough. Slowly, simply, with love. You are ready. You are learning. You are speaking with love. Thank you for practicing with me today. I will see you in the next episode.